Our research project is on the effect of population density and cues from minor predators on grazing rates of purple sea urchins.
We think that purple urchins are grazing less on kelp when they are sensing red rock crab and ochre star. And we also think that they will graze more on kelp when there are more urchins around.
We set out to test our hypotheses by collecting 50 sea urchins from the coast and setting up a lab experiment with 3 tanks. One with a red rock crab, one with an ochre star, and one with no predators, with the water from these tanks running into 3 containers each, one with no urchins, one with 1 urchin, and one with 3 urchins. We measured the amount of kelp they ate over 24 hours by measuring their area. California is one of the most biodiverse regions of the world, but for the past few centuries, this diversity has been threatened by human activities. For example, the sea otter was overhunted during the 1800s for their furs, and they haven't been present in Bodega Bay since then. And sunflower stars were wiped out a few years ago by sea star wasting disease.
These are 2 main predators on sea urchin, but with their local extinction, now urchins have almost no predators. So their population is rising and urchins are overgrazing the kelp forest. It is very important because kelp forest is an important habitat for the otter species. So as a result, the loss of 2 predators are now damaging the whole ecosystem.
We did not find a significant difference between the amount of kelp that the urchins ate when exposed to predator cues and when not exposed, which would imply that there aren't any predators still in Bodega Bay that are significantly affecting the sea urchin's feeding behavior. One of the best things about research, in my opinion, is that you get to explore topics that haven't really been explored yet. And also you get to go to the beach.
I think it is very exciting to conduct an experiment because in school you just learn the process of how to conduct but not actually doing it by yourself. But here in BML we have the opportunity to actually do an experiment on the species that you like, and this is way more interesting than just do as what you are being told.